This little tram, as you might notice, sign writing on the side says Invercargill Tramway. Yes, it ran on the streets of Invercargill from 1921 to around 1952. Southernmost tramway in the world when it was running. All the trams out today owned by the Tramway Historical Society based out of Ferrymead Historic Park, which is near the gondola. I'm a volunteer at the Tramway Historical Society. The other two trams out today are both Christchurch trams. The green one with the open centre portion, built in 1910, the red and green one built by the same company as this tram, Brill in America. 1921 vintage as well. This is stop 3 coming up. Mill Island is on our right hand side. Named that way because the tram mill was built there in 1859, a very busy 30 years. So this is Hereford Street. The Hereford Street Bridge Art Deco design, late 1930s, as distinct from many of the other bridges with their beautiful. Now we're still in Oxford Terrace. Along here we're calling this the terraces, pre-earthquake times along here. Still a hospitality centre in those days called the Strip. I reckon that's calling it the terraces is a bit more posh. So this is 20 restaurants and bars along here, starting to wind up for lunchtime trade, I guess. With al fresco dining, a lot of people sitting on the steps there. These are all developments since the earthquakes.
Oh, right, that could be the crossing.
Very posh penguin there.
That's the Avon River down there. The Avon.
Yeah, I know.
It's the main river coming through Christchurch.
Yeah, down to stop number 4. This is probably our most popular stop because along this laneway there you'll find the Riverside Market. It really is one of our in between many buildings getting damaged, consequently shopkeepers with nowhere to carry on their trade, and through these modified shipping containers with windows and doors and what have you, were able to conduct their business. That included the banks, post office, food outlets, clothing outlets, souvenir outlets. Everything to the left of us was all in a red zone, locked down for 2 years.
Cashel Square.
Next stop, number 5. Valentine's coming up on our right-hand side, of course, well-known old department store. This is an original building, but if you go to the Lichfield Street side, they've added a beautiful new piece, replacing a bit of the hodgepodge. So,
Oh, that's
yes,
a Valentine's department.
well worth a visit.
Oh yeah, Stephen, shall we visit the Valentine's department store? Shall we visit that department store sometime?
Colombo Street, our main street, running due north-south, 6.5 kilometres long, a really long street.
Yes, sir.
Nice facade there, say.
Oh, yeah,
The building
no,
there,
looks
crossing
around
is
there.
original, but has a lot of extra strength we put in. Down here to our right, we've got the laneway to the bus exchange, a supermarket, and more shops. Stop 6.